as we move on to the third step here, which is express your feelings. And now this is where we're going to take a few minutes in silence, maybe 3 or 4 minutes, but you just get to let this rip. There is no censorship board here. There is nothing that you're not allowed to say. But if that pain in your stomach or that pain in your heart knew that it could say whatever it wanted and it would only be loved and treasured, what would it say? And this is where I encourage you to write it down. You will get the greatest, you may get the greatest experience in writing this down. It is bringing what is invisible through to the physical world. There is great value in expressing this in writing, but you'll have 3 or 4 minutes now just to let that feeling, and I will say too that it may morph, it may change. Often when I start this process, I can be very aware of anger. So great, I give that anger a voice. And really, I'm not joking when I say there is no censorship here. You know, often this process for me starts with "fuck you, I hate you all." And I think I'm one of the most loving people on the planet, but that's in there. And maybe I'm able to show up as loving as I can because I'm continually letting go of anything less than that love. So really just let yourself speak freely, write that down clearly. Not clearly, just however it comes out. But be aware that as you give your anger a voice, maybe then that sadness does show up, or maybe loneliness or confusion, or one of the many, many things that we do feel on a regular basis. So allow that to morph, allow that to evolve as you write and share.
If you're still feeling resistant, you may want to just tell that part of you it is safe to express. Because a lot of it is, am I going to be safe if I do this? So you can just say, you're safe, I got you. And also, if writing isn't what you're called to do, you can say it out loud. It's very powerful. You can move and shake and yell. Yeah, so whatever works for you, whatever you feel the energy coming out with. Yeah. And I've said very crazy stuff. So you don't need to attach any meaning to any of it. Let go of meaning, let go of it having anything to do with you. It could be the most crazy, even disturbing, weird, like it's just all to get free.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So we'll have 3 minutes of silence. Just give yourself permission to express your feelings however they do in this moment. You'll hear my voice again in about 3 minutes. Alrighty. And so just allow yourself to complete whatever expression you're currently writing or sharing out loud or with yourself. Just allow that to complete for this moment. And I will say that usually it is encouraged for you to allow yourself to share, to express those feelings until some kind of natural shift takes place. Often just a bit of a stillness or a little bit of a lightness will become present. It's kind of like, okay, I've said that. That feels complete in some way. But in service to the group experience, we're going to move on to the fourth step, which is to love these feelings, to love these aspects, these experiences, these emotions, and to love ourself in the process.